This space is a compelling reason to come and join Conferma just as much as the challenge and the mission that we are on.
We're a small Manchester-based tech firm with a global presence, and we wanted our premises to reflect that, and we wanted people to feel the pride in our office space that they do in our products.
A vibrant workspace is really critical as we're looking to kind of continue to grow the business.
This was a blank canvas, there was no walls. They were able to help us visualise how we could maximise this space.
The concept design was done collectively together. We got the usual kind of material samples, all the detailed drawings. The team created some fantastic sort of 3D visuals as well, which really helped to demonstrate at a senior leadership team level what the space would look and feel like.
What the team have done from a design perspective, all of that is really going to drive the business forward.
To have an environment which has collaboration at the forefront of how we operate was a significant strategic move. I'm a big believer of you work from where you are most effective. We needed to provide a place which was a breeding ground for ideas and innovation. It needed to provide something very compelling and far better and far superior than your home desk.
For me, it was also about instilling that sense of pride in our team and giving them a space that they could be proud to work in and where they felt they could bring their best selves and their best work.
One of our big things is about doing more with less. There's so many businesses and offices that we see, and the amount of space that people have is just not being used effectively or efficiently. For us, sustainability starts from that, so we really want to make sure that we're delivering energy, multi-use spaces, flexibility, and then layering it on with a fit-out and interior design principles that kind of enhance that sustainability criteria.
They did all the heavy lifting essentially for us, so to partner with someone who does that heavy lifting for you makes it a huge disruptive process smooth and easy.
The main challenge was achieving a look that's a cool space to work in, a really nice environment with some quality finishes. And I think they need a space that works for them, that they can collaborate in, that they can make the best use out of the space they've got.
There's a real mix of space within the building. That's formal meeting space, traditional desk space, and a lot of much more relaxed collaborative space. For me, it's been lovely seeing people sort of settle into that and learn how to use that, and watching people work slightly differently in a space that allows them to collaborate in a different way than perhaps we could before.
It's probably exceeded our expectations as well, certainly in the way that the business Conferma have adapted to the space and how they're using it. I think that's what makes you smile when you come in, when everyone's enjoying it. And I know that it's already supporting their future growth.
We have what we refer to as the tunnel here, which is a very flexible space. It offers different types of seating, whiteboards all the way around, video conferencing in there. That's been a resounding success because it's been able to accommodate different types of meetings depending on how you want to interact. When you enjoy where you work and you enjoy who you work with, that also yields a greater return for everybody involved. It's been a resounding success.